Okay guys, we've got this iPhone 6S that was sent in by Amelia. She said it just turned off, and we're just gonna go ahead and figure out what that is. Now I've gone ahead already and opened it, and I've determined that there's a short. So let's go ahead and get in there and see if we can solve it. Okay, so now I've got the logic board out. I'm gonna go ahead and use my test equipment and figure out where this thing went wrong. See if we can get this bad boy powered on again. Okay, so I've determined that the short is within this microchip here. This is the Wi-Fi microchip. So this is how you get Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And in order to change this chip, we're going to have to remove this, which is the memory, the hard drive, or the NAND. So we're going to remove this chip. We're going to unbind it or unlock it. We're going to reball it and put it back on. And then this one here, we're just going to go ahead and change it right out. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now the short is relieved, and now we're going to take off the memory. Okay, just show you guys how good of recyclers we are. This is a donor board. You can see we've taken lots of stuff off of it already. Now we're going to take the Wi-Fi microchip off, and we're going to use that on the board that we've just cleaned up, this whole area here. So we're going to go ahead and get this off now and get it prepared to be used. Okay, so watch the Wi-Fi. Now we're going to unbind it. Okay, there you go. So it has delete. So we're going to load it in again. You can see now that it'll say has delete. There you go. So now we're going to get this back onto the logic board and get the new Wi-Fi IC on there. And so let's see how that's done. Alright, here we are, turned on, great charging current. I'm going to call this phone fixed. So Amelia's iPhone 6S that came in completely dead is now on. We found the fault was the Wi-Fi microchip. In order to get it working, we had to take off the hard drive and unpair it, unlock it, you might say. This is a job well done. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop me a like, definitely subscribe. Thank you so much.